Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Wednesday, March 17th. It is St. Patrick's Day. I've got my green on, and the first thing I want to tell you is that we're doing a fun little St. Patrick's Day giveaway. We're calling it our Pots of Gold. So when you purchase something in the shop now through Sunday, you will get a ticket that you can enter into one of three pots of gold to win one of three prizes that we will have at our front counter. And if you order with us online, we will go ahead and drop your name and information into one of the three pots of gold as well. Next week, I'll be drawing winners on this noon video, so you'll want to be sure to pay attention if you shop with us between now and Sunday, because you could be entered to win one of those three prizes. Now, today is When It Rains, It Pours Precuts. So we have a whole lot of precuts to share with you today. The first one I want to point out, this is the Riley Blake Pillow Pattern Kit. This is the April kit, and now we have the May and June kits. And the nice thing about this kit is it is an envelope casing, so you only need one pillow form, and then you can make a different pillow case for every month. So we do still have some of these March pillow kits here. And then the next ones we have are, let's see, is this May or June? This is June. So I'm showing them to you a little bit backwards. This is the June pillow kit, and the kit has everything you need here in the box. And then this is the May kit, which is a celebration of mothers. So these kits are now available in the store. They're really beautiful little boxes, so they would make really nice gifts. Mother's Day gift, perhaps, for a mothering friend or family member. Next up, we have Tula Pink Precuts. These are the Tula Pink new standards. And I will tell you right away, we are very limited in these. So if you think that you would like a Tula Pink precut of any type, I believe we have 6 of these in stock. It's all of the Tula Pink true colors and kind of basic pieces. We have the same thing in a charm pack, a 5-inch square, and then the same thing in a 2.5-inch strip pack. Aren't those colors delicious? She knows how to do color. Then we also have, let me see if I can stack these up, these terrific fat quarter bundles in 3 different colorways. So we have the purples and blues, we have the pinks and purples, and we have the orange through yellow and slightly green. So these are very, very limited. This is the only pink pack we have. We have 2 of the orange packs, and then we have, oh, I forgot one more. Here's one more color. There's green to blue. So what you see right here in front of you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fat quarter bundles is all that we have in the store. So if you are interested in these, please do come in today or order online to ensure that you get what you want. Next up down the row here, these are Riley Blake Crayola fabric color kits. So you can see on the top here the colors that come in, and I'll see if I can carefully open this up to show you the cute rolls of fabric that are in there. These come from the Riley Blake Crayola collection, and we have a lot of these colors on bolts in the store. But this is a coordinated effort with the company of Crayola to create fabrics in the same lines as the crayons. So this one is a 10 fat quarter pack. And then we have these little guys that are 10 fat eighth rolls. So those are going to be smaller, and there's the colors there. And I think all of them include a little pattern on the back. So these also make terrific gifts for friends. And then we have a really fun Halloween one, 10 fat eighths in this one. And look at that little table runner. How cute is that? Let's open this one up and take a peek. Well, if I can. See? Very cute. So another great gift idea. I know some people that own these that actually just set it on the counter in their sewing area because they're so cute you don't want to break into them. So this one and this one are actually solid fabrics. This one is the kaleidoscope fabrics. Next up, we have new precuts from Free Spirit. This is the Free Spirit design roll in the cool colorway and the warm colorway, the most recent option for Kaffe Fassett. Then we also have the 10-inch stacks in both colorways and the 5-inch stacks in both colorways. And we'll take a little quick flip through here just so you get a view of what's new. Well, it's kind of not flipping. And let's look at this one. So lots of fun, lots of very what you would expect from Kaffe Fassett in these two collections. And of course, these are absolutely ready for your next project. Last up, we have a new pre-cut from Moda Fabrics called Sanctuary. And this is by three sisters, which you may recognize by the colors and the floral nature of the print. Nice, very calm, would be a great jumping off point for your next calm kind of urban chic, shabby chic quilt. So that's what we have for you today. Hopefully here in this huge collection of stuff, you've seen something that you can love and something that you might be interested in purchasing. Share with a friend, give us an upvote, give us a like, subscribe, do whatever you can do to support us, whether it's purchasing or not. There's lots of ways to support small businesses, and we appreciate every one of them. Have a great afternoon. Don't forget our Pot of Gold giveaway, and we'll see you back here tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.